So verb come is ba or bunny in singular or plural forms. So few questions related to second person, both singular and plural. Let us start with singular first. Did you come is neenu bandya. Did you come is neenu bandya. Will you come is neenu bartiya. Neenu bartiya is will you come. Are you coming is neenu barta idiya. Neenu barta idiya is are you coming. Now applying it to plural or respectful form. Did you come is neevu bandra. Neenu bandya was the singular version. Will you come is neevu bartira. Neenu bartiya was the singular version. Are you coming is neevu barta idira. The singular was neenu barta idiya. So to be continued. Thank you for watching 1 Minute Kannada class. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.